So in this video, I'm just going to talk to you really quickly about some tips for prepping meals that are high in protein and how to just make it simple as you're going through your week so you make sure you hit your protein. The first thing is you will want to start with just finding some proteins that you enjoy that you can throw into meals simple. So like today, I'm going to go ahead and cook up this Laura's lean beef. And I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. I'm not gonna add any seasonings, nothing. And so I know that I can do like a taco salad with this. Cabbage is really filling. It's a high voluminous food. So if you're hungry one day and you really just need something to fill you up, you can do cabbage. So I could actually cook up this cabbage, throw in some beef, maybe some mozzarella cheese, lots of seasonings. It's a great meal and it's easy to do. But my advice to you is to pick 1 or 2 proteins just to have in the fridge to grab. On this, just because I know there are some ladies that are not, they don't, you know, some of you do not like chicken and beef and meat and it's just hard for you to get down. I don't want you to feel like you have to shove your mouth full of, you know, turkey and chicken and beef all day long. This is a great way to get your protein in. It's a great breakfast. You can make, today I'm actually gonna make carrot protein muffins in a muffin tin, and I can grab these and go either for a snack or for breakfast. So you can get your protein. I love this. This one is one of my favorite brands. It mixes really well. It's the PES Science, and so this one is great. Also, when you're cooking up any kind of like protein waffles or protein pancakes, there's all kinds in the stores right now that you can buy for the base. So you can just have these for the base. Then I usually add an egg and egg whites. You can flavor it up, giving it a sweeter taste, adding vanilla. You can add pumpkin in. You can add applesauce, no sugar applesauce to give it a sweeter flavor. But this is a great way to hit a high amount of protein right from the start in your morning. So I suggest you just Google some recipes for those protein muffins and the pancakes and waffles. And if you need some, reach out to me. I'd be happy to share. All right, well, everybody have a nice weekend. And I hope this helped you start thinking about prepping your meals for the week.